Last time on Avalon, I arrived in La Rochelle, we toured around the city, and we went to the market. Good morning! So today we are going to see off our friend Mickey on his Sayona. He is about to set off on his Atlantic crossing with his crew of Anthony and Charlotte. They're supposed to leave around 9, which is when the sun comes up. So it's about 8:20 right now. We're heading over there to go say bye to them. And then we are gonna go to the market, get dinner because most places are closed on Sunday. So we're gonna get something to eat. Almost to Mickey's. This way.
We are at the professional dock at the marina, La Rochelle.
We're gonna go see Mickey off. He is leaving today. Last chance at land.
For 3 weeks.
There's his boat at the end. Sayona.
The lights are on.
All right, here's the crew.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hello,
Morning. Everyone introduce themselves.
I'm Anthony
And
from North Kent.
and are you the captain?
Well, some people call me that.
How many Atlantic crossings have you done?
This is number 45.
Wow. It's pretty impressive.
And he's only 34 years old.
Mickey Hernandez, and I'm the owner of the boat.
And how many Atlantic crossings?
None. So this will be my first. Oh no, I have done on a cruise ship though.
Oh, okay, that counts.
So I have done that.
Totally the same.
So from the U.S., currently living in Florida. Previous to that, Atlanta.
Nice.
I gotcha.
This isn't 4K,
Hi,
so every
see you
crumb,
there.
every crumb will be detected.
I'm Charlotte. I'm crew. And I am from Chevy Chase, Maryland. And this is my first Atlantic crossing.
You don't live in Chevy Chase though, right?
I do not live in Chevy Chase.
Where do you live?
Everywhere.
Well, you're in the...
Right now I live on Lagniappe. Lagniappe. The boat's name. Yeah, I don't really...
So you were in the BVIs before this?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, and what were you doing there?
I was a scuba instructor and a skipper.
Okay. And how many Atlantic crossings have you done?
None.
All right.
Yeah.
Is this going to be like a 3-hour tour?
I hope not.
All right.
Have a safe trip.
See you in a month.
Yeah, see you in Fort Lauderdale.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Follow Mickey's transatlantic journey with the link in the description.
Heading to the market and we're gonna get some steaks and some Brussels sprouts and some, what else?
Pate.
Pate. That doesn't go very well with the song.
It's just not a good song.
Not a good song.
It's getting rainy. We went to the market, the little piggies, and we got, what did we get? We got Brussels sprouts,
2 steaks,
2 steaks,
a baguette,
pate, baguette, and cheese.
Cheese.
We kind of did it in French.
Yeah, we got by.
Yeah, it was good.
And most people around here make an attempt to speak English if they know any.
Very nice.
So very nice, very polite people. So looking forward to cooking it tonight. So we're not gonna go out, it's Sunday. And that will be our dinner.
We have returned from the market with gifts. Une baguette. Cheese. I don't know what kind.
French cheese.
French cheese. Another mystery cheese. Ooh, that one's stinky. Pate. Brussels sprouts. And the beef.
Steaks.
So we got faux filet,
This is a New York
which
strip,
is a New York strip.
we think.
Yes, it is. That's it. So our market produce and everything is being cooked now. We're gonna do some potatoes. We're gonna boil them and then roast them. And here are the Brussels sprouts ready to go in the oven. And then we are going to have some steak. What else? Is that it?
Bread.
Bread. Maybe I'll have pate. David doesn't want any pate.
No.
You don't want pate. You
I do
don't
not
like
want
chicken
pate.
liver or
No.
duck liver of animal.
You don't even know what animal it is.
I don't care what animal it is. It's freaking delicious.
It's a local.
A local dead animal.
That's
I will eat it.
We have the 2 New York strip perfectly marbleized steaks we got at the market from the local butcher today. Looking forward to searing them and getting a great flavor out of them. Over here we have partially cooked Brussels sprouts. They'll go back in as soon as the potatoes are roasted.
And here is the pate. And it tastes like cat food and rotisserie chicken. So not what I was hoping for.
So, New York, more like a ribeye, even though they say it's in New York. Brussels sprouts, potatoes.
Mmm, tasty. Alright. Hot. I'm in, too hot. We heard how it looks, or we saw how it looks. Now tell us, how does it
The
taste?
steak is perfectly cooked. Brussels sprouts are nice and crisp, and the garlic potatoes are very well salted.
They're a little hot though.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.